pressure cooker, kitchen utensils suitable for induction gas, spatulas, medicines, most important, brass daya, god photos if we do pujas, kerchiefs to survive initial few days, masala oats, Maggi. Additionally can get sambar powder, masalas, carry these in flight and check-in, not sure spices are allowed or not, if yes, spices. Torch, umbrella, water bottle, steel plate and bowls, steel is quite expensive here, quilt, sui dhaga, needles and thread, mixer, grinder, walking shoes, chapel, sandals, partywear dress, few Indian clothes for numerous Indian festivals celebrated here, thermal wear, makeup items, lunchbox, plastic containers to store grains, legumes, atta, rice, etc. Microwavable plastic boxes, food bag clips. Here are some tips on the key differences and things worth bringing when moving from India to the USA considering price variations. Weather and clothing. USA has 4 seasons, so carry clothes accordingly. Warm jackets, sweaters, gloves, etc. for winter, light cotton clothes for summer. Footwear is expensive in USA, so worth bringing good pairs. Electronics. Prices are generally cheaper in USA than India for laptops, phones, appliances, so recommend buying there. Do carry phone, laptop, tabs for smooth transition. Furniture and housewares. Used furniture is abundantly available in USA for decent rates. Worth shifting high-end designer pieces only. Bed linen, kitchenware prices are similar, so better to buy fresh there. Food and spices. Indian groceries are widely available but expensive, so carry spices, pickle, papad, chutney, snacks, tea, basmati rice for 2 to 3 months transition phase. Avoid perishables or items needing refrigeration. Cosmetics. American drugstore brands are economical and effective. Bring specific Ayurvedic formulas only. Medicines. Common generics are similarly priced. Have prescriptions handy for refills. Carry special medications not easily available. Home decor. Indian ethnic wares are pricey there, so yes to shifting idols, artifacts, paintings. But modern decor is fairly priced, so buy there. Appliances. Small appliances are reasonably priced in USA. Bigger items like TV, washing machine are cheaper in India, so worth bringing if in good condition given high usage. Overall, clothes, shoes, food items, electronics see major price differences. Furniture, cosmetics, and meds need selective planning. Focus on comfort for initial weeks. Bulk of regular staples can be bought there. Hope these tips help you plan. Do connect with friends, neighbors already there for specific advice.